Got the new Pulsar GX400BN, 400 watt dual fuel, runs on gas and propane. Also bought the parallel kit, so hopefully I can parallel it with my other Pulsar generator, which is a 2300 watt. I believe that the most I'll get out of that though is the 1818. I will have to do some research, give it a try, and play around with it though. Got this so I can run it on propane. I will be going through the unboxing process. It is lightweight. They run about 50 pounds I've seen online. This is the new model. It has a pull-out handle, wheel is super quiet. So I'll unbox it with you guys and show you what's in it. Won't be getting it started though yet, because I want to get a full propane bottle and all that. So I had to cut the straps around it. I did order this through Amazon. They have a $30 off coupon on it, which made it $5.69. It does look like it got beat up somewhere between the distribution center and in shipping. The top was kind of smashed. There is where it looks like it got dropped right here. It's working in a distribution center once. I know these get thrown around a lot, so let's see, and hopefully everything is alright. So they do send you a container of oil. That is something I didn't get in my last Pulsar. They give you the tools, a little oil funnel, and I do believe this just screws on. They give you the propane regulator and hose, which is very nice. That is the main reason I bought this. Gas could come in short supply. Always have propane tanks. Have actually one on my single wide trailer out at the farm, and it's always got propane in it. So it is a GX400BN inverter generator. For liquid propane, it's 2800 watts is the running, and 3600 watts is the peak. This does have the RV ready 30 plug. It's definitely a lot heavier than the 2300 generator. Here is fuel. Here is a pull cord. Here's what it looks like right out of the box. Here is the 30 amp plug. It looks like it has a dot, 2 dashes. It does come with 2 of the 120 20 amp plug. Here, run, start, choke. I heard on propane though, you just have it on run, you don't choke it to start it. Here is the eco mode. Here is the reset. It does have the UBC and UBS USB power charging ports, which is kind of nice. Here is where we'll plug in the propane. And here is the screen. That is unboxing the Pulsar 4000 watt dual fuel inverter generator GX400BN. Here is the access panel for the oil. I believe, looking at everything, I didn't have to take off any screws like the 2300 Pulsar. It's definitely lightweight, 50 pounds. I was going to try a Predator, but with the dual fuel, that's kind of what sold me on this. And I had a Pulsar 2,000 watt, not an inverter generator that lasted me years with my other camper. So I do love the Pulsar brand. I do know they'll stand behind their warranty. Predator, you have to buy extended warranty, or after 90 days they don't. There is a spark plug. It does have a nice heat shield around. Definitely quality plastic. It is plastic, but heavy duty, high quality plastic. I will have a video up of it running.